We're asked a lot of, how do you spend your day? Do you get bored? And we don't. The days go by so quickly. Well, I've been retired now for about 5 years, although I keep forgetting to add a year each time. High school principal and a literacy supervisor with the Department of Education in my home province before retiring. And before that, enjoyed a lengthy career in radio and television, actually. So I've had a varied past, I guess. It's interesting because a lot of our friends back in Canada and people that are thinking about or have just moved here to the Dominican Republic ask us all the time, what do you do all day in your retirement? We have the pool, and that's amazing because the weather here, I think just about every day of the year is sunny and certainly warm. So we have our pool that we enjoy all of the time, first thing in the morning, last thing at night, we have a swim. Even our 3 dogs love to swim. So some people think we're training our dogs for Olympic swimming. They do laps every day around our pool, which is kind of neat. In addition to going to the beaches, exploring the country of the Dominican Republic, we have started a bit of a company that we enjoy by going to the markets locally, and there are many of those. We call it Pickle Pantry, and decided to put our love of making pickles, making preserves, working in the kitchen with making a little bit of extra spending money so we can travel more around the country. It's going great. We get so much support locally and with the expats as well here at the Castaways Market, of course, in Sosua every Saturday, and there are other opportunities as well to sell your products. Our pickles, we believe, are special because they are from traditional family recipes. And we use the slogan, time, trust, and tradition. And so every product that we make comes from either my ancestors, my parents, my grandparents, or my husband's parents or grandparents' recipe books. And they're tried and true, and everybody loves them. So with our products that we make with Pickle Pantry, we locally source all of the products. So every product we use, the green beans, the beets, the carrots, the cucumbers, the cauliflower, all locally sourced, and we look for the freshest, best products. And we put together, our other love is having a garden. I guess that's my love personally. So we have a garden at the side of our villa, and we grow tomatoes. We're currently growing tomatoes. We've grown cucumbers. We have a portion of it with dill and oregano and other herbs and green peppers. So we actually use some of our own products and our own vegetables in our products. It's the first time that I ever planted tomatoes just from seed. Usually I buy them back home in Canada like this. Planted the seeds only 3 weeks ago. These are the results here. They grow like crazy. The weather is perfect for a garden. These are green peppers. These are oregano, which actually is a herb here in the Dominican Republic that is medicinally used. And I use these plants in all of Pickle Pantry's dill preserves. The dill pickles, the dill carrots, the dill asparagus. This is the banana grove. So the stalks of bananas that you saw already came from these trees that are cut off. The bananas will only produce a bunch of bananas once, and then you cut them down and more plants grow. So these are going to be ready probably in about 2 weeks' time. Over here, this is our mandarin tree. This is a brand new tree, so it really hasn't produced fruit except for one. Of course, that's not edible, but eventually it will become larger and produce mandarin oranges. We are going on our 3rd year here in Casa Linda, and it's amazing how the vegetation grows. Of course, we have 365 days a year to grow shrubs and trees and that sort of thing. Casa Linda provides a budget for you when you build your villa to put in some palm trees, other trees that you might like, fruit trees, and the beautiful hibiscus that surround the property here. And then we went to a local nursery and supplemented our budget from Casa Linda with a gardener from the nursery. And he came in. One day there was nothing. The next day it was like a tropical paradise, and we love it. And one of the things that we're fortunate to have here, and it's affordable, is a person that comes in and does our gardening, does our pool, makes sure that's clean every day. And as well, we have a housekeeper that comes in on a weekly basis to clean. Of course, that gives us all kinds of time to go swimming and exploring. And so we really appreciate that. But as I say, it's affordable here in the Dominican Republic to do that. We're certainly not the only ones. All the villas here in Casa Linda have just beautiful, beautiful properties.